Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Vasi here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve the problem that your PS5 or PS5 Slim is stuck at the startup screen. So let's begin the video. Here you can see that I have the PS5 Slim Disc Edition. The process is same for all the PS5s, and you can see that my PS5 is stuck at the startup screen. So I have bought this PS5 new and I'm encountering this issue. So there is some problem with Sony software. Anyways, you may encounter this problem whenever you have bought a new PS5 or whenever you're trying to update your PS5. In order to solve this problem, it's pretty simple. So what we are going to do is to manually power off our PlayStation and then power it on again, and this should solve the problem. So you're going to long press on the power button continuously until the PS5 light turns off, which means that it has powered off completely. Wait for 4 to 5 seconds, and after that we are going to power on the PS5 again. Here we see the Sony logo, and now you can see the update process has begun. So it means that we have solved the problem of the startup stuck screen on the PS5. So guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.